Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. So over the last year or so I've been really enjoying riding the Monster. Absolutely love that bike. But now there's a new model in town. It's the Monster SP.
Your makeup.
Right, here we go, 1 minute. 5, 4, 3.
Right.
Hang on the noise, there's noise.
This is it.
Here we go.
The SP. Who's turning up here now?
I don't know.
Who's out on the bike? Nice Andy. What's that face
Oh,
for?
it's
Cold.
Come on then, let's
What happened to the promise of taking us away to the hotter places?
Yeah.
You're
put it in the sun.
excited. What?
Put it
He
in the
don't
sun.
want it in the sun.
He doesn't
The
want it in the
sun,
sun.
you won't be able to film it.
He
It's
wants
just-
me to be cold forever.
I'm just saying, look, as soon as he walks in the sun there, you can't see him, everything just goes white and shitty. How is it out
Fresh. It's a bit fresh out there, isn't it? It's fresh out there. Super fresh.
there? I've got to go out on the Panigale SP2.
I've just been
it's
out.
hardship.
It's a hardship.
What's in it? What's in it?
It's the Monster SP.
Look at that.
You haven't been unboxing much lately, have you?
I've been boxing, but not unboxing.
Nah. How much are these, Nick?
He's a 13995.
Oh, man.
You know your
It is
prices,
cheap,
Nick,
isn't
don't you?
It is cheap. It's a lot of bike.
I am a fan of the Monster.
We know you are. We know you like a monster.
That's your nickname, innit, Monster?
Yeah.
It is, isn't
It
it?
is, yeah.
I can stand in the sun.
Well, you're alright, aren't you? This is how the videos work.
This is terrible, Paul. Bend it on Paul's head.
There's another plane flying by. What's that one? One of the little stunt planes.
That's alright, the sun out here, Paul.
It's nice in the sun, isn't it, Nick? I've heard it's nice.
It's lovely.
It's a bit chilly
Let's
over
have
there.
a look. Look, he's doing that in the shade. There's the sun. Look. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Someone's had the seat away already.
I know, Nick has said.
You've been here 5 minutes. Like being in Romford again.
Cold, isn't it? Pretty cold, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
That's
nice.
sold already, yeah? Sold, mate,
Yeah,
yeah.
look at that paint.
My first sold SP. They do look cool. They do look pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie.
Look at that.
I love the colours.
Yeah, so they've got the Terminoni homologated exhaust.
A lot of words for you.
Yeah.
There's a homologated exhaust in there.
It's got the Olin suspension, the MotoGP livery,
Yep.
same colours. Look,
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
it's like the it's like the Pikes Peak, the P4R.
Ferrari as well, yeah.
Oh, and it's got different brakes on it as well.
Oh, no,
Look
really?
at that, yeah. Look at them.
Look at them babies.
Blocks. What do you reckon,
cold.
Paul? Do you like that?
I like it, yeah. I think I should get it on the bench and build it.
Monster SP. Tricolor colours there. Oh, and it's got the little indicators on it.
Oh, we can do
Yeah,
that. We can do a car review for Andy as well.
Oh yeah, when Andy gets his, what car you bought? Alpine what?
A110S.
Yeah. So do you think they do an SP belly pan for this?
Oh, I bet they do. I bet they do everything for this.
Sweet.
Yeah, ready?
Look at that. Well, we'll get it in the workshop, so we get the bits on it and then we'll have a look at it.
Fabric.
So it's a bit like the, what's it one? The
So like somebody's shopping basket.
There it is. So I've been looking forward to this. Does look nice though, doesn't it?
Is this different? The tank different? It looks like
No,
it's
just-
more
Looks tired, doesn't it?
I think it's because it's got no seats and that on it. Also 4 tyres. So although it's got the termies on it, it's not the system. That's the only thing.
Just the incads.
Is that an Olinge damper or not? They've done it black, like the black
No, I don't
Olinge, but I
know.
don't think it is it? I like the colours of this.
Yeah, it's like the Superleggera colours, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's actually same as the MotoGP one. The new bike loose.
A new bike? Where's the new bike? In
This
the
one.
box?
It's been in the
What's
box.
happening with the food department?
What do you mean? Everything's going fine with the food department.
Well, what have you ordered?
Nothing. Did
What are
you?
you saying? Who's
He said he's ordered food, does he?
Have you?
Someone said there's loads of food.
So there's going to be a lot of free food in there.
Hold on, what do you mean a lot of free food?
I've got the person coming to do a photo shoot of me, obviously. No, I'm joking. Of
Yeah.
the food for Uber Eats. So I'm cooking a big breakfast, a beef burger with chips, jacket potato, which Simon's claimed, a sausage baguette, and a bacon sandwich.
We
And
had
they're
to get
all
this
going.
out of you. You didn't come here and volunteer all that information.
We haven't.
No, I was.
I'm having
Give me
all of that.
time.
I'll have the
Breakfast.
bacon sandwich in.
Oh, that's going to be on white bread, so you'll be happy with that.
Who is this bloke?
I'm a photographer.
I don't really like other men taking photos of you, Lee.
Apparently, it's got to be all at a certain angle, you know, all like 45 and 90 degrees, so...
All angles and positions.
I hope this bloke's quick, because, you know...
You know,
I'll have to
he
write
looks
that SP
foreign.
then, won't I? Is that...
It's dryish. That's
Dry
right.
miles.
Right.
There and back twice.
Right, so I've got the bits out of the box, yeah?
Look at this.
See?
Let's see what we've got, shall we? Got the...
Let me shut the
Seat
door.
cow.
Look at that.
Nice.
That's nice. Oh! That is nice. What are you having for dinner tonight?
Fishy fingers.
Fish fingers, aren't it? Fish fingers for ages.
Alright.
Yeah, but this is the dilemma. Battered fish fingers or breadcrumb
The
fish
original
fingers.
breadcrumbs
So
for me.
breadcrumb ones, yeah, see, I like the battered ones.
You like anything better though, don't you?
Batter you in a minute.
The
Red Sea.
It's got monster impregnated on it.
Yeah.
Warm them up a bit. Oh, so a little black bit in the middle of that,
Little screen.
I like fish finger sandwiches.
Do you?
Yeah. Or I
can't
like
say I
a
like
plate. Get a pack of fish fingers, what are they, 16, aren't they? Just cook all of them, put them on a plate, bit of tomato sauce, loads of salt on them, lovely. Just eat the fish fingers, nothing else.
Got one of
Look,
those.
it's a little, that's a different badge, isn't
Oh,
it?
yeah.
I'll take it.
This,
I
yeah.
could buy one of them.
Probably a couple.
Galtide is that charge, £20.
Problem is, with that having that exhaust, you've got to buy the exhaust.
Will you
Full
do a
race.
deal? Do a deal for us?
Will you do me a deal? You think Ducati would give me one of them
for
by
you, they
now?
probably
wouldn't
would
Do
do
it for cash?
Give you a Baileys, but
they? I don't want to buy this, I want one of them.
Go see where the food is, Cody.
Even the poxy food.
Right, we're putting this on then.
Come on then.
The sticker.
That's the new upgraded sticker.
Yeah, this is the little template.
This is like Blue Peter thing.
Yeah, this is one we do.
You look like you're cold or something, mate.
You're in the North Pole. It's got presents to wrap later.
The photographer's here for Lucy, I better go and check. He's
Just say to him, take the pictures as quick as you can because
not, Paul's hungry.
we're getting violent down there.
Well, you set it all up nice, didn't you? So that's all the bits.
Let's go and see the
Then, put them on there. Let's go and see you.
photographer.
What do you mean go and eat? What, it's upstairs? What's everyone running off for? So we got free food somewhere. Oh yeah, do you remember? Right, whoa, what's going on here? What's going on here? Look. Right, so what's that there? Is that the bacon?
Yep.
I'm going bacon. Look at that. Look at that breakfast. Hold on, you've got burger and chips.
What?
Burger and chips. Do you think you'd be able to finish that bite now then?
No, I want to sleep after this.
Oh right, okay. Right, so we're back to it.
Oh, aren't we just?
Got to put bits on.
We're back after a break.
Got to put your little bracket on.
Look at that sticker. It's a special sticker, that. Special. We're here, we've got the 70s music.
It's education for you, Cody, a bit of 70s music, rather than listening to Craig David all day long. Slip that on. Oh, look at that, with a little black bit there as well. And we've got to put loads of bits on this bike, ain't we, at some point?
Oh, have we?
I think this exhaust, reservoirs, rag guards, belly pan, tail tidies going on it.
So what's taking so long then?
I don't know.
What's the hold up?
With what?
Getting this bike together.
We've been very busy. We've been successful. Piss taker.
Black steering damper.
Lithium batteries, standard?
Yep.
That's cool, isn't it?
See how it snuck in?
Yeah, just slipped in there.
If I drop this in there, we're in trouble. You know that? Did you know that?
Well, I won't be in trouble. What are you going to do for 2 weeks then, anyway? 10 days
2
or whatever?
weeks?
10 days or whatever. What are you going to do for 10 days?
2 weeks for you.
What?
Not 2 weeks.
It's 10 days or something, ain't it? What?
Not really.
What do you mean, not really? So we're off Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 11 days we're off.
That might be 11 days to you.
Saturday, we're 11 and a half days with Friday.
11 and a half now.
What are you going to do for all that
I
time?
don't know where you're getting these times from.
Well, how long do you think you're for?
Feels like nothing.
That looks nice on there, doesn't it?
Nice.
I like that. Reaching out, Cody. Touching me, touching you.
Why don't we go around for Cody? You can take us out in the car.
Cody, take us out one day. Look at him if you want. He'd love to drive. That's
All he
all
wants
likes
to do at
is
that age is drive.
All I want to do at my age is not drive. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. That's it, the SB. I just want to ride one now. That looks nice.
Nice.
Yeah, you like it?
I do like it, yeah.
Well, so that is the awesome Monster SP unboxed and had a quick look at it. I think the colours just look really good on this bike. I even like the little touches, like around the little fairing and on the front mudguard. Obviously, it's got the better brakes, it's got the Odin suspension, so we will see what it rides like, because I seriously cannot wait to ride this bike. But as always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching.
Give him a one in the arm, like, that's it. That's the one he don't like, that
Glasses on. What a man with glasses.
Right up the pipe. Right up the pipe.
What's the matter?
You know, you know what he is? You know when you get kids, they get hangry.
You're hungry, are you?
He's hungry and he's getting all irritable.
Oh.
I bought you in mince pies, you can have one of
I
them.
can't live on bleeding mince pies, can I?
He's taking glasses off, we want a bundle now.
Fuck.
You ready for a fight now?
I'm ready for that burger.